Today we are making pancakes. Everybody likes pancake. I don't know the person who doesn't like pancake. Today we are doing a very fluffy pancake and really delicious. So let's get started. Yeah, so I have these ingredients there. So what we have here, I have just 1.5 cups of flour, and I have 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and I have 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's castor sugar. I'm using castor sugar, and I have a pinch of salt, which is about maybe just a half teaspoon of salt. And then I have some melted butter, which is about just a 1/4 cup melted butter. And then I have 1 egg, and then I have some milk, which is about 1.25 cup of milk. I'll put all the measurement down below, and I'll add the grams to it. If you don't have cups, you can measure it in grams as well. So yeah, and I have some vanilla extract as well, just make it much yummy. So yeah, so what you need to do first of all is to add all the dry ingredients together. So I have my flour, so add the flour, and then you add the sugar, and then I add the baking powder and the salt. Okay, so and you mix it, just mix it so that they will be finely mixed like that, and they'll make a well in it. Try and make a well in it, just a hole here. And then the next thing we need to do, this is a very easy recipe, is to join all the, just mix all the liquid ingredients together. So we have the melted butter. So I pour the melted butter into the milk, and then you add the egg, okay, and then I need to add just about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I like a little bit of vanilla extract, so I'll add just a little to it. Okay, and yeah, so you need to just make sure you mix it nicely so that they will mix together before we add it to the dry ingredients. Right guys, so you're adding the wet ingredients onto the dry ingredients. So you make the well and pour it in, and then you mix it. We'll try not to over mix it because it will be tough if you over mix it. Okay, really nicely mixed. Right, so you put some butter in it. This is on a medium heat. Make sure you spread the butter on. Okay, so you're using just a 1/3 cup. And then we pour it in. You need to adjust the heat if you think that it's burning. So what we are waiting, we're going to see the bubbles on top of it before we turn it. So allow it to cook for about some minutes until you see some bubbles on top of it. Right, as you can see some bubbles on top of it, we need to turn it. It's getting cooked. That looks nice. Right, as you can see, our pancake is cooked. So we just take it out and then you do that for until we finish the butter. Put another butter in it. And then we add our cupful. You can adjust the heat as you go on. If you think that is really low, you can just adjust the heat. Right guys, so this is our lovely pancake done. It's fluffy and it's really tastes delicious. You can add any topping to it at all. You can add maple syrup, you can add some blueberries, whatever you want to add to your pancake, you can do that and it tastes delicious. So I just want to add a bit of syrup to it. Okay, and then you can have a really nice pancake. So yeah, that's our pancake done. So guys, if you like this recipe, put a thumbs up, and if you subscribe to my channel, put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you'll be notified of that. Thanks for watching.